Maps are at the core of how we interact with the built environment. Therefore, they should be easy to understand and easy to work with. Ambiarc generates interactive 3D maps from floor plans, coupled with an SDK to power digital experiences. Out of the box, you'll get a beautiful 3D map with default interaction, interface, and functionality that can be integrated into a wide range of applications. These may range from visitor wayfinding experiences to internal use cases like data visualization. Ambiarc is built with Unity. To generate a map, drag and drop GeoJSON files into the Unity editor. After importing the files, Ambiarc's map generation tool, called Blueprint, automatically generates a 3D map in real time. Maps can be managed with the Ambiarc Map Manager, a simple CMS web tool anyone can use. The tool makes it easy to do things like adding labels and icons to a map, associating labels with API content, or editing the map's visual theme. Ambiarc has both a Unity and JavaScript SDK, so a project can be built for web, native mobile applications, or even virtual reality devices. Let's set up a simple demo and look at a few features. Our first step is adding a dynamic icon to the map. In our example, this icon represents a user's location on the map. We added a simple function that animates the icon to wherever we click on the map. The icon could easily be linked to an indoor positioning system to show the location of an active user or a physical asset. One important role of an indoor map is wayfinding. Ambiarc supports dynamic routing, including fastest and accessible routes. By adding one more line of code, we made our user icon always display the fastest route to its destination. A powerful feature of Ambiarc is its data visualization capabilities. Ambiarc supports heat maps and raindrop bursts that can easily be connected to real-time data APIs. Using Unity's NavMesh agents, we added a crowd of virtual visitors entering the building and making their way to different points within the building. You can easily see where the visitors group up the most. If you have an existing 3D model of your building, it can easily be configured for Ambiarc. This makes it possible for CAD, SketchUp, or other project types to be used. Here we see a 3D map custom created by an artist and inserted into the demo. Ambiarc projects can be deployed to all platforms that Unity supports. To illustrate the advantage this brings, we compiled our demo to run on a variety of native platforms. Here's our demo project running on mobile, augmented reality, and web. By developing a user interface or hooking into existing APIs, stunning experiences can be rapidly created. Visit ambiarc.com to get started.